Hi all, I am Muhammad Naji Abu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, in this video, we will be discussing about the list. List is one of the data types, Python data types. Okay. So, the lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Okay. So, there is a few. So, first we will go through the few properties of a list. Okay. So, lists are ordered sequences that can hold variety of object types. Lists are created using square bracket. Items in the list are separated by commas. Okay. So, lists support indexing and slicing, just similar to the strings. Lists are mutable, means it is possible to change their content. Okay. So, strings are immutable, right? We can't change their content, but here lists are mutable. We will be able to change the content. Okay. So, we can see like how a list works. Okay. So, first let me declare a variable square. Okay. Here, as we mentioned, like lists are created using a square bracket, right? So, here I am using the square bracket, and this can be, and it can be separated by commas. Items in the list can be separated by commas. So, let me 9 and 60. Okay. Now, I can print it square. Okay. So, another is we can fetch each content of this using the position, the index. So, here square 0 will print the 1, and square 1 will print 4, and square 2 print the 9. Okay. So, here we can use the reverse operation also. Square minus 1 will print the last item from here, and square minus 2 will the second last item, and here I can type minus 3, square minus 3 colon then full length. That means it will start from minus 3, then it will print the full item. So, we can check here, this is minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. Okay. So, minus 3 to here, that is 4, 9, 16. Okay. 4, 9, 16, that is what we are printing here. So, if you want to print everything, we can just use this also. Okay. Now, next we can discuss about the concatenation. How can we do the concatenation? Okay. So, here think about a square. Okay. Square, now I want to extend it with other squares, 36 and 49. Okay. So, here we will get 1, 4, 9, 16, 36 and 49. Okay. So, if you print square, see our original data, original variable is not updated, right? So, if you want to update this one, we can use this square plus assignment operation. Okay. 36 and 49. So, this will assign to the new value to this square variable. Okay. Otherwise, we can use another method, that is another function. There is a function is there that is called extend. Okay. So, here I can add 36 and 49, then just print it, can write print square. See. So, this will extend the existing list. The square is extended with 36 and the 49. Okay. So, now see, like if you want to add like one more item. Okay. For example, I am adding one extend method here, square dot extend. Maybe by mistake I have created a 65. Okay, should be list. This should be a list. Okay. So, now the square is 65, right? But actually here it should be like 8 into 8, it will be like 64, right? So, how can we change that? So, this is a mutable thing, right? So, I can select the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 6th index, right? So, I can select square 6. Okay. Then maybe I can write into 2. This will be updated. See, this is updated, right? Okay. Now, how can we insert a value, or like how can we append a value to this list, square list? Okay. So there is a function called append. Okay. So I can check like append. Here I can say 9 into 9. Okay. Now just print it. See, this is 81. So the append function will append to the last index. Okay. Now, yeah, obviously, like we may have to insert something. We may have to, if I want to add something here before 1, how can I do that? Okay. So there is another method called square dot insert. So this square dot insert accept like two parameters. One is the index, okay, second one is the value. So here I am giving the 0th index, I am giving a value as a 0. Here I have like 0, right? So here I have inserted to 0. Now suppose I want to insert something to square, something to after this 9, okay? So that will be insert, it will be like 0, 1, 2, 3, okay? Third position I want to enter 10. Okay, the 10 is actually inserted the third position, 0, 1, 2, 3. Third position we have inserted the 10. Okay, in this way we can insert the values. Now, how can we do? I mean, how can we pop something from the list? Okay, so there is also a method called pop. Pop can be used. This will pop the last item from this list. Okay, last index item. If I print square, see that is popped. The last item is popped. Okay. Now maybe like if I want to pop something from the in between. Okay, for that I can use pop. Then I can mention the index. So here I can say I want to remove this 10. So that will be the third position, right? The index is third. Square. Okay, so that is removed from the list. So always the pop will return the value that is removed from the list. Okay, so if I want to see, okay, popped item, I can say here I can say that square dot pop 0th index. Okay, so I can print this popped item, we will get 0. Okay, so we have discussed about we have discussed about append, insert and the pop. Okay, now see some other properties of a list. Consider I have a letters here. Okay, I can say that here A, then B, then C, D, E, then F, then G. Okay, now let me print this letters. So we will get all those things. Okay, now if you want to change something between 2 and 5, then I can give like C, D and E. Okay, so here the letters between 2 and the 5. So here we will select the index 2 and till index 4. So we will not consider the last index here 5. We will not consider this highest part. We will consider only till 4. Okay, so here 2 will be 0, 1, 2. So this will be C, D, E. So we need to replace this C, D, E with capital letter C, D, E. That is what we are doing here. Okay, so now let me print it here. Letters, see, that is removed, right? I mean that is updated. We will have C, D, E. Now if I want to remove these things, I can make it like empty. Okay, so this will remove letters. Okay, this will remove the A, B, F, G. Okay, C, D, E is removed from here. Okay, now I can make everything as a empty. So this is a one method. like this. Okay, so this will be, everything will be removed, so the letters will be empty. Okay, now we can discuss about another method, that is called length method. Okay, so in our, we have the square, right? Now if you want to see the length of this particular list, okay, we can use the method called length. Okay, here I can check length of square, that will be 7, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, now if you want to check the type of length, I mean type of square, see, type is list. Okay, and if you want to see the square method, so these are the methods available for this particular function. So here we can see append is there, copy is there, count is there, extend is there, index, insert, pop, remove and reverse and sort. So we can discuss like couple of methods here. Okay, so here we have the square, right? And if you want to sort it in a reverse order, okay, so we can use sort, then here we have a reverse properties there, set the reverse is equal true. Now just type it, so we will get 6 64 49 and 36. So this is in the, this showing the descending order. Now if you want to in the ascending order, we can just type sort and print square. See, this will be in the ascending order. Okay, now there is another method is there, that is called reverse. Reverse is used to reverse the members in the list. Okay, reverse the list. Okay, so the here like the reverse is done. Okay, so another feature, like we can create some list of list. Okay, for that consider a list A. So we have a list A called A, then we have a B, then we have C. So this is one list, then consider another list, we have 1 2 3. Okay, now we need to create another list. Okay, so I can mention A and N. See, when I print X, this will be a list of list. Okay, this will be one list and this will be another list. So if I probably say X of 0, we will get ABC. If I said 1, we will get 1 2 3. Okay, so here I can say that 0, then I can select the 0th index A. Here I can select 1, here it is B, then we have 0, then we have 2, that is 2, that is C. Okay, so here we have X, right? Now check the N. So we can take another 1 of 0, that is 1, then X of 1 of 1, that is 2, then I can select X of 1 of 2, then 3. Now we can check 1 of 3, what will happen? It will throw list index out of range exception. So we will study how can we handle this kind of exception in our coming lectures. Okay, so that is all about list. Okay, so we have discussed about basic operations and basic methods and concatenations, push, I mean pop, append and insert operations, reverse and sort operations. Okay, so yeah, that's it about the list. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.